Alright, so we're over here in Bowie, Texas. This is where GTO Jason is. Now he owns a restaurant. It's called, what is it, Sweet Babies or Sweet Boys or something like that. And his mom also runs the place, so they're kind of partners on the situation. But what we're going to do, we're going to go in there and check out this restaurant and get a little glimpse of what Jason does for a living besides work on GTOs and not pay me my f***ing money. That's right, he owes me money and I can't get the cash from him. What's up, buddy? What's going on, Roberto? You doing all right today?
Juan Carlos.
Carlos, that's right. What's up, dude? Where are we at over here, bud? What's going on?
This is my sister.
Was that just, how you doing?
Leticia. Yeah.
What's your name, sweetheart?
Leticia.
Leticia?
Yeah.
Now, what do you do here, Leticia?
Fine, fine.
What are you doing here? You wash dishes? You dishwasher?
Dishwasher.
Comprende? Speak. Yo si habla español?
A little.
Okay. Do a good job for us, okay? Do a good job.
The news coming, the news.
What's up, dude? What's going on, man? You getting a delivery in today?
No. He's supposed to pick stuff up.
What's he picking up?
Jimmy, I'm going to have it for you tomorrow, buddy. I'm sorry. I'll get it ready for you tomorrow.
Okay, hold on. Does he owe you money, too? He doesn't owe you money. I heard him say you'll have it for you tomorrow. So you ain't got my money. Is that what you tell me?
Well, you come in the back door for me.
Like, came in the back. Where's Bob at?
She's right there.
Where's Bob?
She's right there.
Come on over here. What's up? What are you doing today?
I'm working.
Huh?
I work every day.
Do you?
Yes.
Okay, what's going on today? What
We
happened?
got a catering job today. The chamber banquet
Okay.
in
What's
Bowie,
that? What is
Texas.
it?
It's where all the businesses come together and
Can I ask y'all a question? You do got legal? Everybody's legal at work here.
everybody's here's got legal.
Okay, everybody that
I'm
works
not
here.
legal. I am wanted.
But all your employees are legal, right?
Yes.
You didn't run into any jerk-offs today or anything? Or anything?
Yes.
Oh,
I
yeah.
do jerk offs every single day.
I decided, to come up and get some cash from my buddy, and I said, well, I'm going to stop in.
Yeah,
See
we're
my buddy.
going to get some cash on
I went over there to Trent. I went over there to Trenton's because he owes me some money.
Really?
He doesn't have money. He doesn't have money. Seems like everybody's broke these days. What's going on with that?
I'm not broke. That's for
Okay, hold on. What's this board for right here? What's going on
that's
with the board?
that's all the employees.
That's your employee board?
Yeah, that's the ones
If
mainly
they're good or
servers.
bad or need to get fired?
Well, that's the ones when they don't do what they're supposed to do, they get marks.
Okay. Hold on. Who's this?
This is Sharisa.
Okay, Sharisa. How you doing? How do you like the board, Sharisa?
I like the board. Good.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I haven't been
Is
on
it
it.
pretty fun to have a board here? Kind of keeps you going.
Absolutely.
I see 3 marks on 2 people.
Well, that's because some of those people erase their marks because they don't like the marks on the board.
All right.
The board doesn't bother me.
But I
So,
know that we're
so you're saying that your employees actually come over here and they remove their own marks?
They remove their
Is that
own
what you're
marks.
saying?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow. So you like the board?
Yes.
The board helps you work.
True.
What was
This
that?
guy right here is the one that erases his marks, and every time he goes over there and erases his marks, then he gets more marks.
So is this your cook?
Well, he works the window
So why are you erasing your marks, bud?
because he thinks he doesn't do anything
No,
wrong.
actually, all the girls out there are the ones that are racing for me.
Now when
He
you say
works-
window, you're talking the food.
This is the window.
This
yes.
is called the window
Yes.
right here.
Yes.
So what you do is I guess you stick the. Where's the little thing where you go like this with the menu?
Oh, it's on the other side.
Oh, you actually have one of those over there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then he cooks it up.
He attempts to cook it up.
And then she
And
comes
then
over.
eats it.
Now,
Yeah.
you've been in business a long time, Mom.
Long time.
Nay. Is it Nay or Ma? Okay, you've been in business a long time.
Yes.
You used to have a restaurant that was like the biggest restaurant this side of Dallas, Texas.
Yes, Jim Bowie Restaurant.
Jim Bowie Restaurant. And you employed like 150 employees?
No, probably 40.
About 40?
Yeah.
So y'all stayed pretty busy over there?
Yes, they
Right,
were
right.
busy. Yeah.
But what happened to that place?
Don't ask that.
What happened? Well, I mean, why aren't you in business anymore?
Well, don't.
No, let's go ahead. Come on, tell us.
No, we had a fire out there.
Okay, so the place burned down.
Yeah.
Insurance job. Have we had any fires over here, buddy?
No, since I've been here.
Not yet? Okay.
No.
Okay. Nene says it was like losing a child.
Up there at Jim Bowie?
Yeah.
Oh, she's always talking
Have you
about
known it? Have you known it that long?
About a year and a half since I've been in this kitchen.
Right. Okay, keep up the good work, bud. Okay, we won't talk about your fire anymore.
No, that's still sentimental.
Okay, that's a sentimental situation. We don't want to get upset.
No, we don't. That was like.
Have you had any jerk off customers lately?
Yeah. I
Like
got one.
today?
Yeah. Talking to one of them.
Not me. I'm not your customer. I'm just a friend. What about that guy in the green out there? Is he being a nice guy? Is he being a nice guy?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I know he's kind of looking over here like he's a jerk or something. Hold on, what was that?
Not nice.
He's with me. Now, how did you figure that out?
He already told me.
He told you. He wasn't supposed to tell you nothing.
Yep. He's like, I'm with that
So
guy
the
over
secret's
there.
out, huh?
Secret is out.
Did you ever get your hood?
My
That hood?
hood?
The hood that you wanted on that
I ain't got my hood yet, bro. I don't even know where my hood's at, dude.
Hey, I told you to come up here and get it, and we'll put it inside your truck. And he said, I ain't got enough room for the hood this weekend.
It's not my hood. I just want my cow head back.
Don't tell me that. Are you serious?
No.
Are you serious?
Well, I just.
That's kind of sentimental.
That's Tessie.
Well,
Tessie.
I'm kind of sentimental
they
though.
should just go around
Two
here and
times.
giving all my stuff away and don't.
Okay, hold on. So
They
whose
say
is
I
it
know I
now?
don't have any.
I gotta get this straight. Whose is that?
It was mine. I killed that cow.
She says she killed it.
Oh, no. The only thing she kills around here is hopes and dreams.
So what's all this angle here? What's this stuff for?
This is NASA Central right
Is
here.
this the ordering board?
Ordering board.
I don't see my friend Pete's hamburger on there.
Let me tell you something.
I don't see my friend
If
Pete's
you
hamburger.
want to see her go crazy,
Yeah.
this thing shuts down.
Is that right,
That's
Nene?
exactly right. This is the brains of the whole.
Now, isn't that kind of a waste of money throwing all that coffee away like that?
We're done with it now.
Okay, all right. Nothing y'all want to show me? None of your operation, how everything works, or
No, well, yeah,
gotta keep it on the low in case the EPA
You
comes
see all the
around?
pies over there? EPA.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go film those.
Okay, let's go look at those little pies. Okay, so they're getting ready for a big catering job. This is one of their operations right here. They actually make these pies and then sell them to you when you come in and eat. So we're looking at the pies right here. What's going on with the pie action, bud? What is this?
Well, it's little miniature pies.
Ooh, they smell delicious.
These are lemons.
So you got lemon pie, and
These are chocolate.
now are these the freebies you give away, or
No, well, these are tonight for the.
we don't get no freebies?
Well, this is for tonight. This is
Okay.
for the table banquet.
Okay, so how long does it take to bake all these
Coconut.
coconut? I smell that. Huh.
Yeah.
So you guys are a pretty busy operation over here.
Yeah.
Are you like the #1 restaurant in Bowie, Texas?
There's some My Friend Pete pies right here.
There's a My Friend Pete pie right there, dude. Wow. Now those are big. All right.
Yeah. That's my
So how many employees you actually got?
Well, is he talking about when we started out this morning? Because I think you fired like 3 of them today. So.
You already fired 3 people.
I think they fired 3 of them.
Is that
Fired
right?
3 today. They don't do what I
You
tell them
fired
to.
3 people today.
Yes. I'm not afraid to fire people. They don't get in here and do what they're supposed to do. I fire their ass.
Don't fire
I
me.
fired him before.
Yeah, I got fired a long time ago.
Fired
She
your
can't
wife.
fire me now.
Fired.
Why can't you fire
I'm
me?
on the books.
All right, so we got pies. What else we gonna have tonight?
We're gonna do
Over
shish
at the-
kebabs.
Shish kebab.
It's a Hawaiian luau theme, so we're doing
Okay, so
shish
how many
kebabs.
shish kebabs do you need to cook for something like that?
This one's gonna be close to 500.
500 shish kebabs?
500 shish kebabs.
500.
How long does it take to cook 500 shish
Well, I
kebabs?
don't know. We're
Is
fixing
that
to
on a
start.
barbecue or
Yeah, we're fixing to start grilling them.
outside?
No, we're gonna do them here.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna do shrimp. We cooked a big old pile of call it shrimp.
Yeah.
And
Well, let's get our buddy Shane back here. He thinks he wasn't supposed to tell you he was with me. I told him, go in there and be an asshole.
oh, that guy.
I want to get Nene pissed off.
Oh yeah.
And then he told the waitress, so I'm with Pete.
Well, she already said that. He better be nice, or I'm gonna run his ass out of
But
here.
he wasn't supposed to be like that. That's what the angle was. I said, you need to go in there and be pissed off. And then that way, she's going to come out and ready off.
Yeah. Well.
But it
I'd
didn't
still
work.
run him out of here.
Well, we don't want to do that.
I'm not afraid to run
We don't want
anybody
to do
out
that
of here.
now, dude. All right, man. Let me. We gotta go,
Get
bro.
you a hamburger. Get you a
Okay.
hamburger out there.
Nene, are we gonna see y'all again, or?
Yeah, come back. But let me know next time so I can go to the beach.
No, we can't. We can't do that. We're only gonna come out through the back door.
He showed up at the back door today.
Yeah, we're gonna come through the back door. All right, I gotta go, guys.
Did you say hi to Juan?
Gotta go.
All right, bye.
Saw one, dude. I saw one. We'll see y'all later.
Bye, Pete.
Take it easy, guys.
All right, Pete.
All right, see you later, Nene. Keep up the good work over here. What is it called again?
Sweet boys.
Sweet babies. You see
Every
the name?
every mama's got a sweet
Yeah,
boy.
I know. I see the t-shirt all over town. Okay, so anyway, that's where we're at. We're over here at Sweet Babies over in Bowie, Texas. It's an awesome place to be. It's kind of empty right now. And this is our buddy Shane. You want to say hi to our buddy Shane? Nene? He was supposed to come in here. We got a little skit made. He was supposed to come in here and do it, and he gave it away. But I'm with that guy Pete.
No, I didn't say that. I just said
See, we
I
closed
was talking, kind of raising a ruckus, and I said I can't do
See,
it.
we closed at 2 and we went ahead, we were nice and let you in, see?
Yeah, see, they wouldn't let me do anything but
But you're supposed to be a jerk, so Nene can come out here and kick you out.
Thank y'all.
Well, it wouldn't be the first time I got kicked out.
All right, you want to say hi to Shane? He's from Ohio, dude. He's going to Moab, Utah with me.
Let's meet you.
Going to Moab, Utah. He's my swamper.
Well, good.
Okay. All right, guys, we gotta go. See y'all later. All right, I guess we're gonna get back down the road. Moab, Utah. We're gonna take our buddy Ohio Shane down there, and we're gonna start getting some electrical shit done and get her done. Take it easy. Well, what do you think of Jason and Nene, Shane?
Well, I couldn't piss
See,
them
the
off.
problem we have here is you were supposed to go in there,
I know.
you know, and that kind of cocky, because I asked you to do that for me, because I wanted to get Nene
And
pissed.
that little thing wouldn't even let me.
Well, what did she do?
She just said, okay, okay.
But what did you say? Oh, I'm with that guy that's coming in with the camera.
I said, I was supposed to come in here and act like a royal ass.
You
but I said,
told
I
her
can't-
that?
I said, I can't do it. But I didn't say who I was
So you
with.
told her that?
And then all of a sudden she looks up and sees you with a camera and says, oh, okay.
Son of a bitch.
I'm sorry.
But you weren't supposed to say that, dude. You know, we were supposed to go in there, you had your little game, I was going to play my game,
And it turned out
and then
for the best.
Nene was going to come out and say, you got a problem, and then I was going to, you know, be able to film all that, and it didn't happen, Shane.
And it's a good thing, too, because they said she has been sick, so.
Okay, so she has been sick.
Yeah. So it worked out for the best.
Right, Sweet Babies, dude. Remember that. It's the only place in town that's got a tire on the roof. All right, what we're doing here now, we're heading to Moab, Utah, dude. Can I count on you out there to follow my lead?
Well, I hope so.
Okay, dude. I just want to make sure, because, you know,
Long walk.
I mean, I asked you to do something for me on this angle, and it didn't work out. But I guess it's for the best, since Nene wasn't feeling good, right?
It worked out for the best.
Okay. All right, dude. Let's get down the road and see if we can check out this museum over here, Vega Museum. This guy's got. Okay, buddy.
How many Vegas does he have?
I don't know. We won't know until we actually get there, Shane. Okay, bro? Okay. All right. So we got Shane from Ohio. Now, what do you do for a living, Shane? What's your angle?
I'm a steel worker.
Okay, you work at the largest steel plant in America or something like that?
I work at a steel plant.
Well,
Not the largest.
but I mean, they do special stuff there. They only buy special metals, right?
Yeah, they make alloy steel.
Right. When you say alloy steel, what are we talking about?
Well, they put chrome, nickel, moly. You know, that's kind of their specialty. A lot of that stuff goes into transmission gears.
So you're doing chrome moly steel and molecular structure type situations. Takes a lot of chemist action going on, types of stuff. Is that what you're saying?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, good luck at your job, and you're out here on vacation with my friend Pete, right?
Absolutely.
And we're going to Moab, Utah. Hopefully, we're gonna get something done.
Yeah, hopefully.
Only if you can follow my lead. Okay?
Okay.
Kind of like you were supposed to do at the restaurant, dude.
Yeah, but you didn't have the club though.
Club?
Yeah.
What do you mean club?
Well, I figured you had a club somewhere.
No, no club, just the camera.
Oh, just the camera. Okay.
Okay. All right, man. Let's get down the road. We're gonna go over to this Vega guy, I guess. If we can make it to Vernon in time and the sun's still out. See what happens, dude. Look at the cows. Are those pictures of them just staying? Wow. Huh, pretty neat.
There's a guy up at Dundee, Ohio.
We gotta go, Shane. Take it easy, bro. Take it easy. Okay.